What's up guys, Braden here with SuperATV, and today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's Sway Bar Shock on this Polaris RZR PRO XP. So let's get right to it. So you want to start out with your machine on the ground. You don't want to jack the machine up. That's going to make it a little bit more difficult to get the sway bar removed and install the new sway bar shock. So as you can see, our machine's just sitting on the ground here. We're going to remove the two 15mm bolts securing the factory sway bar link to the trailing arm as well as the sway bar. Now we're going to cut the zip tie off of the lower portion of our sway bar shock here. Be careful because these bushings can fall out. So what we'll do is take it, make sure our bushings stay in our shock. And we're going to take the lower portion and we're going to slide it into the trailing arm. Secure it using the factory hardware. Just like so. Go ahead and start our nut on the back side. Now we're just going to cut the zip tie off of our upper bushings here. We're going to grab the provided hardware, slide it through our bushings, and then line it up. Go to the back side, get it started. Then we're just going to fully tighten our hardware. So we've got our sway bar shock installed on one side here. You can absolutely install them on both sides. You know, if you're somebody who's doing some rock crawling where you need the suspension to articulate a little bit more, but if you wanted to just do, you know, your trail ride and you wanted more of a comfortable ride, you would leave your stock length on one side and then install the sway bar shock on the opposite side. So once you've went through, fully tightened all your hardware, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's sway bar shock on this Polaris RZR PRO XP. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.